Hey friends, this is the unreleased Redmi Turbo 5000 yuan phone. Are phones like this in terms of looks and feel these days? Let's take a look and start with the unboxing. It's still the familiar phone case. Let's take a look at the phone itself. The color I have is light sea blue, which is really beautiful and refreshing. It also has a 100W charger. First of all, the color scheme is very eye-catching. I personally really like this refreshing color. It also has a frosted glass back cover. Everyone wants a glass back cover and a metal frame, and the TB5 delivers on that. The feel is indeed very comfortable. The camera buckle is separate, which I think is simple yet beautiful. It also features a large rounded corner design. And you know what? These large rounded corners look really good. This is a budget phone. How would you rate its appearance? As for the screen, it's a 6.59-inch screen. This size ensures both a comfortable grip and practicality for daily use. And it's also the standard size for most flagship phones. Especially when gaming, the advantage of this phone size is better control. The screen specifications are a 3500 nit peak brightness M10 luminescent material, a 1.5K resolution super sunlight screen, so if your work involves frequent outdoor activities, especially in bright sunlight, this screen will ensure clear visibility, which is a crucial parameter. It also comes standard with a 10 to 20 Hz high refresh rate and Xiaomi's Green Mountain eye protection screen. These specifications are unlike those of a budget phone. The Turbo series signature sliding backlight strip is retained and even enhanced. Besides message notifications, incoming calls, music, and charging, it also supports specific effects for 3 games. There are also light effects during photo countdowns, combining entertainment and practicality. Although it's a mid-range phone, it's equipped with a Dimensity 8500 processor. Benchmark scores. I also achieved a score of 2.3 million in a room with a temperature of 24 degrees Celsius, which is quite impressive for a mid-range phone. As for games, let me show you. Games like Honor of Kings and PUBG Mobile run in near full frame rate. Even though it's a mid-range phone, it still packs a 7560 mAh Xiaomi Jinshajian battery, and the 100W fast charging has been upgraded. This year's phones are truly outstanding in terms of battery life. Batteries are getting bigger and bigger. With this phone, you can experience a balance between feel and battery life. It also supports 27W reverse charging. For those with dual-mode phones, you can even use it to charge other phones when you're out and about, a very practical feature. While photography isn't a strong point for phones in this price range, it should at least be able to handle everyday life recording. Redmi. The P5 features a 50MP LYT600 main camera and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens. I took some sample photos, and you can see they're more than enough. If your work involves frequent outdoor activities, waterproofing is essential. This one supports IP66, IP68, IP69, and iP69k waterproofing, the full range. It offers almost everything you'd expect from a phone in this price range. I think it's a very competitive choice at this price point, with a great feel, design, user experience, and playability. What do you think? Feel free to leave your comments. Bye!